Hey, hey, troopers, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make date paste. Now, I know we just talked about it, but date paste is really, really easy, and I thought this would be a great recipe for you guys so that you could start using it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you're going to use 1 cup of dates. I use medjool dates, and if you use medjool dates, they're pretty big and they're soft, and I cut the pit out. I take that pit, cut it right out, and then I just use my thumb and index finger and I press it out. Now, I found it takes about 8 to 10 depending on the size of the medjool date. Now, I have 10 here that I've cut out, the kind of butterfly, but date paste is a substitute for sugar. 8, we're going to need a little bit more. So we've got 10 medjool dates pressed out, and I'm going to set those aside because what the other part of this is, it's only dates and water. I've heated this water, and you need a 1/2 cup, a little bit less than a 1/2 cup, but you will take and put these dates in a bowl, and you'll pour a 1/2 cup of hot water over it. And then you'll just let it set on your counter for about 10 minutes to a 1/2 hour, okay? And then this is what you'll have. You'll have this. They'll start to absorb the water. See how gooey, kind of gooey that is? Okay? After that, you're going to put it in a high-speed blender. The whole thing. Get it all. Get every drop out of there. Get it all. Put your lid on. This is not moving around as well as I thought it would, so I'm going to put in like a tablespoon more of water, okay? Okay. Okay, that's it. It's about a minute or so, because all you did was blend up dates and water to come up with this delicious paste. Now you think, well, where can I use this for, Berta? I'm going to show you in a minute. I don't know how much that is. I didn't measure it. A little more than it's about a cup of date paste. It's also a sugar replacement, so you could put this in your recipes for sugar. Now, I only used a cup of dates. You could use 2 cups of dates. Just make sure you up the amount of water. 1 cup of dates to a 1/2 cup of hot water, or 2 cups of dates to a whole cup of hot water. Remember to pit them. One of my favorite things to do with it is to take a piece of whole grain bread, and I have 2 different nut butters here. This is cashew butter. This is almond butter. And what I did is it's a tablespoon altogether, but it's hot here today, so it's kind of melty. But if you will put this on a piece of whole grain bread, nut butter and jelly, I know there's easy recipes for jelly. You could have nut butter and date paste. I'm telling you, there's no better combination than nut butter and date paste. Now, the next thing you're going to do, take your little spreader and glop on a little piece. Okay. And child, I'm telling you, this is delicious. That's my almond butter. And I'll take a little bite of the cashew butter one too. Yes, my dear. This is good. And that's it. That's all you have to do. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, enjoy your date paste anywhere you want it. Bye for now.